Well, hello, it's Mojo, and welcome back to another episode. This one is long overdue. I wanted to give you a monthly update, but I wanted to wait 2 full months before I really shared this wand with you. So, this amazing device, before I shared it, I wanted just to make sure that I had run through, an extended period of time trying different things, doing different things with it. And I've got to tell you, OMG. Oh my God. It is been just a blessing here at our house, not only for myself, my wife, who obviously has been dealing with hot flashes. We talked about her hot flashes, her menopausal issues in a previous episode. But my dogs, the water that I drink, our plants, like I use this wand on everything. And so I want to share all of this goodness with you over the last 2 months. So, number one, for me personally, I've been doing it every day. Now I take a day off. Sometimes I take 2 days off. I just listen to my body. There's no right or wrong way to use the wand. The important thing is you set the intention and you use it. So whenever you feel like you want to give yourself that attention, you grab your wand and you work on these different areas. Now, the areas that are the protocol, there's 10 meridians on your body that you use. You got a couple in your hands, you got a couple underneath your armpits, you've got the back of your neck, at the top of your spine right here. You have your head, your face. You can do, which I'm going to talk about in a second, the Botox. Remind me about that. You can do the bottoms of your feet. There's all kinds of different areas. There's 10 that we recommend for a protocol. And once you get used to using that, again, this only takes 10 minutes or so. So you're literally spending time with yourself for 10 minutes. Once you get used to that, then if there's areas that you want to work on, what's great about the device is if you've got a headache, if you've got back pain, which I live out here in the country, here in Nebraska, and I'm always doing something outside, whether it be running around the dogs, whether it be, moving leaves around, whatever the case may be. I'm always doing something. So if you get sore, and at my age, at 57 this year, it's like when you get sore, it's like, what are you using? Are you popping a pill? Or are what are you doing? And with this, I just blow the wand on that area for a period of time and let the magic happen. So let's kind of talk about my day. So every day, number one is I want to make sure that my water is wanded. So I literally will use a glass bottle, and I've got a 2 gallon jug on my kitchen counter, and I'll let the device, I'll just wand the water for 3 or 4 minutes. I have a holder for it. I just wand the water, and what the wand does, it structures the water. And again, I did another video here on the channel that you can watch. Make sure you watch it. That explains the benefits of structured water and why would you want to wand your water. And once you know the difference between structured water and the water that's coming literally from our tap, or the water that's coming from the grocery store, or your bottled water, whatever, like that water is dead. There's no life in it. That's why sometimes our body has a hard time figuring out what to do with that, the nutrients in your body. So we want to make sure we drink structured water. So again, watch the video that's on my channel. But every day I drink structured water, about a gallon a day. My wife drinks almost a gallon a day. Every day that 2 gallon jug is pretty much gone, which is awesome, which is hydrating my body. So the nutrients I'm eating through my food, they're being assimilated in my body. I just noticed my skin is completely different. My nails are growing faster. My hair is growing back. I was going through a period of time where I was losing my hair, and now because drinking the water and doing the wanding on specific areas, you guys, things have been changing. So number one, I drink the water, and the water tastes amazing. For those people that are not water drinkers, you're going to love water. You keep it at room temperature, you drink the water, and all of a sudden you can't get enough of the water. Your body is craving water, especially structured waters, especially room temperature water, and it welcomes it. So make sure you do that. So I do that every single day. Just doing that, I've noticed a lot of things with my digestive system, and I'm not cramping during, sometimes after I eat a lot. 80% of your body's water. We want to make sure we have enough water in our body so our digestive system, everything can do what it needs to do efficiently. And so important. Then what I do is I use this on the 10 different meridians. You guys, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The important thing is that you're doing it. And again, we have a PDF that you can download. I can get it to you, that can help you with that. But you just want to do these areas, for a few moments, a minute or so on each of the meridians. And that's kind of your protocol for the day. And what I love about doing this, for 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day. Sometimes I go longer just because it feels so good. I love the heat. When you turn the device on, it's like a blow dryer. It's a hot blow dryer. And there's a blue light on it. And that blue light is kind of just directional. So it just kind of tells you that the point that you're focusing on. But then the heat just feels amazing. And it's actually heating up all of your cells and heating up your skin and heating up all those amazing parts of your body that sometimes we get damp, our bodies get cold. I live in Nebraska and I'm also Filipino and not liking the cold, but there's dampness that we get in our bodies inside internally. And actually I actually had a cold for a long time in my stomach. I didn't know why. It was just kind of like mundane about everything. And I went and saw an acupuncturist before I got this wand. And she said, "Oh my gosh, you have a cold in your stomach. And when you have that, your body's fighting that. So it's taking energy from everywhere and it's trying to get you well." And so for a period of time, I wasn't eating any cold foods. I was trying to warm up my body. Well, when I use my blower, I'm warming up my body every single day. It helps with the inflammation. A lot of hand issues I've been having are gone, which is great. But when your cells become activated, so here's what it's really doing. When you're heating up these cells and is using this terahertz frequency, which this terahertz frequency is a frequency that communicates with your cells, it activates the cells. All the dead cells, they either get charged up. If they're weak, they just get detoxed out of your body through sweat, through going to the bathroom. And once that happens, now your cells become active. They start communicating. When they start communicating, now your cells know what to do. So you'll see energy. You'll see yourself. You'll know skin changes in your skin, sleeping habits. Your body becomes adapts to this activity and wants to get into a state called homeostasis, which is balance, where everything is efficient. And the more that you do this, the more profound the results are. And you guys, I've got testimonials from people that are on our group. We got over 300 customers already in the last couple months that have testimonies that the second they turn it on, they notice something different. And so I am so grateful that I have something that's so simple. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to weigh anything. I don't have to take it twice a day. I don't have to do, I just have to turn it on and use it for a period of time. And if I've got a troubled spot or I'm not feeling good, I can shoot that area. I can work on my neck. I can work on my shoulders. I can work on my stomach if I want, if I'm having digestive issues. And you guys, and it just simply very easily the body starts to adapt. So it is a device to help you get into the state of homeostasis. It's not a medical device. We don't make medical claims. It's not a medical device. I'm not making a medical claim, but what I'm saying is it's no different than, you getting a massage, and that massage that you're getting, that massage therapist is moving energy and shifting things out, clearing passages for you so your body can intuitively do what it needs to do. It's no different than doing yoga or breath work or, walking with nature. These are all devices, modalities, tools, resources that we have to help our bodies do what it intuitively wants to do, which is it wants to be well. It wants to be healthy. It wants to have, you in a state of fun and joy and peace and adventure and activity. It wants you to be that, but you've got to give yourself the right tools, the right environment for your body to do that. So we have to watch the foods that we eat. We have to exercise. We have to be mobile, but then we have tools like this that we can use that can accelerate that process. And again, after 2 months of using this, I am a different person. I've always been proactive with my wellness. I've always been proactive in things I do, but this has taken me to another level. Sleeping better. My skin, instead of, I don't have to put as much lotion on, which I'm not really good to take care of my skin, but the lines in my forehead, everything have been diminishing. So it's like, we call it Blowtox, right? Instead of Botox. And if you're getting Botox, I highly recommend you stop and look at alternative ways, because Botox is not good for you. That you're injecting something into your face that goes into your brain, it goes into your lymphs, it goes into your system. And over a period of time, the residual effect of that, you guys, it's not good. So doing something like this, it naturally moves air, works on the cells, activates those cells underneath your skin. All of a sudden, you'll start to notice smoother skin. And we have a whole protocol for those that want to know that. In fact, I'm going to do a video on the what I do and what my wife's been doing, these others been doing, on just keeping your skin glowing and feeling and looking great. Okay, so 2 months in, Love the wand. If you're interested in allowing your body to have a tool that's simple, that's fun, that's easy to use, that you can use on infants, you can use on pets, you can use on your food, you can use on your water, you can use on plants, you can use on anything, right? I use it before I meditate. I just hold it in my hand for a little bit, right at my brain. It just calms me, gives me a sense of peace. And man, I drop in and, well, wonderful things happen. So if you're interested, you guys hit me up. If someone shared this video with you, get back with them and say, hey, I want this thing. Like I want to experience this wand. You guys, I'm just telling you, it's the #1 device that you'll have at your disposal. First care, it's the first aid, it's the first thing you can go to. It's that first self-care device that you'll always use. You'll get to love it, and you will be willing to share it with your friends. And that's what's really exciting. So if you have any questions, hit me up, contact me. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Make any comment. If you've had a testimonial, I would love to hear your testimonial because we want to share this amazing technology with the world. We want the world to know that there are alternative ways. There are fun ways that you can actually get well. And this channel is dedicated to talk about terahertz and how terahertz soon will be, just like Wi-Fi, just like 4G, just like 5G, except those are bad for you. Terahertz will be the loving frequency that I believe in a couple years every home is going to have, and you heard it first here on the Terahertz Show. This is Mojo. Have a great day, and you know what? I could go give myself some self care right now. Because that's what I do. Got to get yourself a wand. All right. See ya.